Well, now, Franky and Johnny were sweethearts. They were true as the blue, blue sky. He was a long-legged guitar picker with a wicked wandering eye, but he was her man nearly all of the time. Well, Johnny, he packed up to leave her. He promised he'd be back. He said he had a little picking to do a little farther down the track. He said, I am your man, I wouldn't do you wrong. Then Franky curled up on the sofa, thinking about her man, while far away the couples were dancing to the music of his band. He was Franky's man, he wasn't doing her wrong. Then in the front door walked a redhead. Johnny saw her right away. She came down by the bandstand to watch him while he played. He was Franky's man, but she was far away. He sang her a song to the redhead. She smiled back at him. He came and sat at her table where the lights were low and dim. What Franky didn't know wouldn't hurt her none. Then the redhead jumped up and slapped him. She slapped him a time or two. She said, I am Franky's sister, and I was checking up on you. If you're her man, you better treat her right. Well, the moral of this story is be good but carry a stick. Sometimes it looks like a guitar picker just can't tell what to pick. He was Franky's man, and he still ain't done her wrong.